Hello, I wanted to give you an introduction and also a closer look into this travel planner. This is by Flying Starfish, and I just think that this is so adorable. I love the size of it. It is 9 by 6, so it is going to be great to tuck in your bag when you're actually traveling. What's inside of here is also perfect for planning that big adventure. So if you're like me, you find out you're going on a trip and you immediately start planning, this is going to be a great option for you. It's such a cute matte finish on here. Overall, it's just adorable, but let's look and see what's on the inside. Now that we can see the inside of this book, you can see there are so many great places that you can fill in details for your travel wish list. So you have your travel wish list, your monthly plans, bucket list items, whether that be countries, places, foods, experiences. Moving forward, travel research, budget, reminders, packing list. I absolutely love this. Going forward, you have a daily planner. Moving through here, travel reflection, more thoughts. And it just goes on and on. This is just such a great way to lay out your travel plans, be on top of everything you need to be on top of. Overall, I'm so pleased with this. This is just perfect if you are a traveler or if you know somebody who is.